Heuser friends. We have been reading the book Bubbles, Bubbles Everywhere. And in our book, there were children blowing bubbles and popping bubbles. There were big bubbles and little bubbles. And we saw bubbles in the washing machine. This is a great activity to do with your children because you know there's always lots of laundry to do, and you can have school time with your child and get your laundry done at the same time. So you can basically just have them help you and use language as they help you. Okay, this is the washing machine. Okay, what do you want to do? Open.
Open.
Okay, can you open? Good job. Now come over here and you can help. Can you get down so they can see you? All right. So you can have your child name the clothing as they put it in. You can name the clothing and let them pick the right one. Okay, look. Where's the dress? Good job. Can you put the dress in? Great. Okay. What do you want?
The shirt.
The shirt? Okay, put the shirt in. Oh, that shirt is dirty. The clothes are dirty. So they can help you put the clothes in, and then they can even help you put the soap in and start the washing machine. They will love that. And as it's washing, you can come and check on it and look for the bubbles. They can also help you take the clothes out of the dryer and fold the clothes. You can work on the word clean. Now the clothes are clean. They're not wet. They're dry. You can name the clothes and have them help you sort them and fold them. So there's lots of things you can do and lots of language you can use as your child helps you with the laundry. So have fun and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.